Lotus Lodge. We're here for our anniversary, and it's a surprise trip we just booked 4 days ago.
Yeah, we decided to surprise ourselves and do a little surprise trip to Disney World for a weekend.
So we are here, we are super excited. We're going to be hitting up Toy Story Land for the first time. Today we're going to go to Epcot. We caught the midnight flight out of Denver. We're exhausted. Don't do the midnight flight. Don't do it.
Tired.
So glad we have that booked again in a couple weeks. But it doesn't matter. We're at the happiest place on earth and we're going to have a magical weekend and we're really excited. So
yep.
We'll talk to you guys soon.
Here we are, us and everybody else, making the mad dash for rope drop at Epcot to see the new hot ride, Spaceship Earth.
It's Epcot day! Super excited. It's actually not nearly as hot right now as I thought it would be. I thought it would, well, I'm sure it's gonna get hot, and then it's gonna rain, and then it's gonna get hot again. But that's Florida in the summer. Make sure, even if it's beautiful and sunny like it is right now, make sure you bring those ponchos because you're gonna need them. Also, don't make the mistake I did the last time we were here. Because I didn't know that the ponchos were like one-time use. So I brought two. Two ponchos for the whole trip. It didn't work out very well. So I don't recommend that. We are headed to Soarin'. We have a Soarin' Fast Pass first thing this morning. And then Spaceship Earth. And then we're going to be living with the land because it's one of our favorites and it's just a fun air-conditioned ride. You guys, I forgot my Baymax shirt. I'm so sad. Oh, I'm so excited to meet him. We met Baymax. I was so excited.
Yeah, Baymax is a cool character meet and greet if you've never seen it.
He can't really fist bump, but
you get the point.
He can blow it up.
Yeah.
He's so cute. It was so fun. And it's super air conditioned in there, so you will enjoy that as well. And then also in there, so when you're walking towards the land pavilion, it's going to be on your right hand side. And on one side is Joy and Sadness, and then on the other side is Baymax. And this early in the morning, there were only like 3 groups ahead of us. So it was really fun. So we are heading to Soarin'.
Hey, we just went and did Soarin'. Didn't get any footage of it. Apologize, but my favorite ride in Epcot by far.
Even if the Eiffel Tower is crooked.
Yeah, we had to sit off to the right, so it was definitely a little crooked, but oh well.
It's alright.
So then we went on Living with the Land, which we'll put some footage in right here. What'd you think of it?
I love Living with the Land. I think it's a super relaxing ride. I think it's really educational, but I think it's fun. And interesting fact is when you're going through Living with the Land, or if you're in Garden Grill and you get to the point where you're at the farmhouse with the dog barking, that is a replica, or it was Imagineered after Walt Disney's childhood home.
That's right. So, as we said earlier, we took the red eye from Denver to be here this weekend. It's time for Starbucks.
We're lagging.
So bye.
It's time for Spaceship Earth. So these were some of the really popular booths from Food and Wine Festival last year. This was Flavors from Fire, and we know that this booth is coming back again, so I would assume that is where it will be. We are just across from Figment and the DVC member lounge. And then these are likely going to be booths as well. This was, yeah, Active Eats, Coastal Eats, the new booths last year that were not in World Showcase were over here. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same this year. Hey everybody, we are just about to head to dinner. We're heading to Cape May Cafe over at Beach Club for their seafood buffet. They have all kinds of stuff. It's not just seafood, but it's a lot of seafood. And we went over to Magic Kingdom for a little bit. We took a nap, which was amazing. Took a shower because it's humid. We did go over to Magic Kingdom for a little bit. It was really fun. We went to Pirates. We went to the confectionery, had a Mickey cake pop, and Bryson had a cupcake. And then we went on Pirates, and Bryson somehow managed to slice his toe open, like his toenail. And so we made our first ever trip to the Magic Kingdom first aid, which for those who need to know is over by Crystal Palace. There's some bathrooms between Casey's Corner and Crystal Palace, and it's right there. So we went over there, got them all patched up, and then went and rode the Aladdin's carpets, and then took the boat back over to Wilderness Lodge. So we're gonna head out to dinner, and pretty excited since we've never tried it.
end of day one. We're wrapping things up here at the Wilderness Lodge. We're gonna do something new here. We're gonna do our better and our best of each day on our trip. So Crystal, what is your better and what is your best of day one?
Better on day one was probably checking into our resort. We've never stayed here before. We just come and visit here all the time. So that was awesome. And then my best was Frozen, because I love Frozen and it was fun and it was air conditioned.
Yes.
What was your better and best?
So my better is going to Cape May. We've never been to Cape May. It was delicious, great time. Really loved the food. So much food. And it was good too. It's tough to do an all-you-can-eat seafood buffet, and they did it right. So it was very good. My best, I'm gonna say, is Epcot, because Epcot as a whole was empty. And we were able to do whatever we wanted, and never had that happen. It was awesome. So it's probably a lot to do with Toy Story Land, but we're going there tomorrow, so we'll get it all figured out. But Epcot, being able to just come and go as I please, that was really cool.
Yeah, it was fun.
So.
And we got to take a nap, which we never do, because we were exhausted.
Midnight flights, not fun.
No, but we did get like a full day, so I do think it made the trip seem longer.
Yeah.
Because we had 3 full days, or we will have 3 full days.
Yeah.
So.
All right, well, that wraps up day one. We'll see you all tomorrow for day 2.